People love to make their cars better by adding mods. Some mods are great because they make your car look cooler, run faster, or feel smoother. But some mods are really bad and can damage your engine. In this guide, we will talk about 10 car mods that are worth your money and 5 mods that can destroy your engine. This way, you know what to buy and what to avoid. 1. Performance air intake. A performance air intake is a simple but very effective car upgrade that helps your engine breathe more easily and perform better. The stock air intake that comes with most cars usually limits the amount of air going into the engine, which can hold back power. When you replace it with a performance air intake, the engine gets a bigger supply of cooler and cleaner air. This extra airflow allows the engine to burn fuel more completely, which makes the car faster, smoother, and more powerful. It also improves how the car responds when you press the gas pedal, giving you a sportier driving experience. The best part is that this modification is not very expensive and can be installed easily with basic tools, even at home. Many drivers also enjoy the deeper and sportier sound it adds to the engine, making driving more exciting without causing harm to the engine. 2. Exhaust system upgrade. Upgrading your car's exhaust system is one of the most popular modifications because it not only makes your vehicle sound more powerful, but also helps the engine perform better. The main job of the exhaust is to remove waste gases quickly and efficiently. And when this process is improved, the engine doesn't have to work as hard, which can give you more horsepower and torque. A high-quality performance exhaust system also allows the engine to breathe more freely, which can improve fuel economy under certain driving conditions. Another benefit is the deeper, sportier sound it produces, which many car enthusiasts love because it makes the driving experience more exciting. The key is to choose the right exhaust for your vehicle and make sure it is installed correctly, since poor quality parts or bad installation can lead to leaks, noise issues, or even damage. When done properly, this upgrade is safe, effective, and worth the investment. 3. ECU tuning. The engine control unit, or ECU, is often called the brain of the car because it manages how the engine runs by controlling things like fuel, air, and timing. ECU tuning means adjusting these settings to get more performance out of the engine. When done safely and by a professional, a tune can unlock extra horsepower and torque, making the car feel quicker and more responsive. In many cases, ECU tuning can also improve fuel efficiency, since the engine is running in a more optimized way.
This is why tuning is such a popular upgrade among car enthusiasts. It's one of the best ways to make a car faster without needing to replace a lot of parts. However, it's important to use a trusted tuner and the correct software, because a bad tune can cause engine damage. With a proper tune, this upgrade is both safe and very effective. Maya. I find it's everything. Maya. I find it's better tires. Good tires are one of the smartest upgrades for any car because they affect nearly every aspect of driving. Quality tires improve grip, traction, and handling, helping the car corner better, brake quicker, and stay stable at higher speeds. They also increase safety in dry and wet conditions, reduce road noise, absorb bumps, and provide a smoother ride. Whether for performance or daily use, upgrading tires delivers noticeable benefits every drive. Suspension upgrading. A well-tuned suspension keeps the vehicle stable in corners, reduces body roll, and ensures tires maintain grip. This improves handling and braking. Sport suspensions give a tighter feel, while off-road setups absorb rough terrain. Suspension upgrades enhance safety, comfort, and make every drive more enjoyable. Brake upgrade. Brakes are one of the most important safety features in any car, and upgrading them improves performance and confidence. Performance brake systems deliver stronger stopping power and better control, crucial in emergencies.
They reduce brake fade from overheating, last longer, need less maintenance, and protect the vehicle. For spirited drivers, powerful brakes are as essential as engine upgrades. 7. LED or HID. Lights. Upgrading your car's lighting to LED or HID is a smart and simple improvement. Unlike halogens, LEDs and HIDs produce brighter, wider beams, improving night and poor weather visibility. This enhances safety, helps spot obstacles and signs, and gives your car a stylish, modern look. They are energy efficient, put less strain on the battery, and last longer, saving money over time. 8. Cold air intake. Installing a cold air intake is an easy, affordable way to boost performance. It draws cooler, denser air into the engine, improving combustion for more horsepower and sharper throttle response. Installation is simple, often needing only basic tools. Drivers notice faster acceleration, improved engine sound, and overall stronger performance, making it a smart, low-cost upgrade. 9. Turbocharger or supercharger, if done right. Adding a turbocharger or supercharger is one of the most exciting ways to boost your car's performance. Both force more air into the engine, letting it burn more fuel and produce significantly more horsepower. A turbo uses exhaust gases to spin a turbine, while a supercharger is powered by the engine belt. When installed and tuned correctly, these upgrades dramatically improve speed, acceleration, and overall power. However, they also increase engine stress, so stronger components, better cooling, and careful tuning are essential for reliability and longevity. 10. High-quality fuel injectors. Upgrading fuel injectors might not look flashy, but it has a big impact on engine performance. Better injectors control fuel more precisely, giving cleaner combustion, smoother acceleration, more horsepower, and improved fuel efficiency. Old or weak injectors waste fuel and cause rough driving. High-performance injectors reduce engine stress and work especially well with upgrades like turbos or cold air intakes. Overall, they keep your engine reliable, powerful, and balanced. A small change with major benefits. Mods that can kill your engine. 1. Poor ECU tune. While tuning the ECU is good, a bad tune can destroy your engine. Some cheap tuners push the engine too hard, causing overheating and breakdowns. Always get a professional to tune your ECU. A safe tune is great, but a bad one is dangerous. 2. Too big turbo. A turbo can make your car fast, but too big of a turbo can kill the engine. It puts too much pressure, making the engine wear out quickly. Without supporting upgrades, a giant turbo is a bad idea. Many engines fail because of this. 3. Cheap nitrous kits. Nitrous can make your car very fast for short times, but cheap kits often cause engine damage. If used too much, it can break pistons and cylinders. Many people think it's fun, but it is one of the easiest ways to ruin your engine. 4. Removing catalytic converter. Some people remove the catalytic converter for more power, but this hurts the environment, makes the car illegal in many places, and can cause engine problems. The engine needs balance, and removing this part can damage other systems. 5. Bad cold air intake placement. While a cold air intake is good, placing it wrong can kill the engine. If it's too low, water can get inside. This is called hydrolock, and it can completely destroy the engine. So, install it properly or avoid it. Car mods are exciting, but you must choose wisely. The right mods make your car faster, safer, and more fun. The wrong mods can waste money and even kill your engine. Always do research before upgrading and go for quality. With smart choices, you can enjoy your car without fear of damage